Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia L4, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and then here you should find the toggle Do Not Disturb. And before you actually toggle it on, you might want to hold it, and this will take us to the settings where you can customize how it works. So behaviors, you have sounds and vibrations, you can check whatever you want here, alarms, media and touch sounds. Then you have notifications, you have no sound from notifications, no visual or sound notifications, or custom where you get to choose what kind of notification gives you what feedback. And then if we leave here, you have exceptions. So when the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, calls, you have allow calls. And it's by default looks like it's selected from contacts only, so everybody who's in your contacts during Do Not Disturb mode, they will be able to reach you. You also have from anyone, which defeats the purpose of this, from shared contacts only, which is just another way of saying your favorite contacts, and none, just no one can call you. And then you have repeat callers, which allows, no matter what the option right here is, if you have the repeated caller enabled, someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will actually be able to reach you anyway, no matter if, for instance, you have set it to none. Then if we go back, you have messages, almost the same options right here. So you have allow messages from anyone, contacts, shared, and none. And also allow reminders and events. And then you also have a schedule where you get to choose your own schedule, so it turns on and off automatically. So just go into turn on automatically. So you have a couple pre-made ones, sleeping and event. You can also add your own, name it whatever you want. And from here you have days of the week that you want it to work in, start time, end time, and then exceptions will be taken from whatever we have chosen here. So that is how you would set it up automatically. So it would be, you wouldn't have to do anything, it would just turn on every single day that it's set to at a specific time till a specific time. And you still can simply toggle it on and off here whenever you need it. So that is how you would set it up. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.